Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to our school holiday program activity where we'll be making some bird feeders. So you've got all of the equipment in your kits. You'll need some birdseed, you'll need the gelatin pouch, and you'll also need some water and the moulds for cookie cutters. The recipe that we're using for the gelatin does need some adult help where you need to boil something on the stove. So see if you can find a grown-up helper to help you out with that part. Let's get stuck in. Hi. And voila, you're done. I hope you're happy with your creations today. I'm really looking forward to popping this guy out in the garden and seeing which birds I can entice. I hope you've had a fun time and I hope you have a great school holidays. See you next time. Bye.